Good day again to all teachers. Before I start with my discussion on finding transfer goals, let me first introduce myself. I am Monique Clarivel Yamis, but you can call me Mon or Monique. Now that you have learned about the meaning of transfer goals through Miss Chang, I'd like to know if you have any idea where we can find transfer goals. If you have one, you can type it in the chat box. Okay, I'll give 5 seconds. Okay, so thank you for all your answers. So I guess some of you got the correct answers. So let's find out more on the next slides. Your curriculum guide is helpful in constructing transfer goals. You will find your guide or basis here. We will further discuss on the succeeding slides how curriculum guides are helpful in writing transfer goals. For now, let us skim through several important sessions in unpacking the standards for understanding. The second session, which is the acquisition part, refers to the time where the learners or students will acquire the needed knowledge and skills through class discussions. In simple terms, the learner is learning something based on what the teacher is discussing, like the concepts and skills. More like acquiring the needed knowledge and skills. The third session is meaning making. This session means that learners are about to comprehend, digest, and define what they have learned in class. Seemingly, it is a stepping stone for them to demonstrate the knowledge and skills they have acquired from the discussions in class. The demonstration can be done in different ways. It depends on the topic discussed by the teacher. Meaning making leads them to appropriately apply acquired knowledge and skills in class. The fifth session is transfer. Basically, when we talk about transfer, this is where the application of skills and knowledge takes place. Whatever they have learned in class, the concepts and skills, they will use this in real life context, not just in class. For instance, in computer system servicing or CSS or in ICT, one of the skills you can acquire is PC assembly and troubleshooting. Naturally, learners will learn how to fix or diagnose their computer if it does not function normally. In real life scenario, say that your system unit or monitor is damaged, you can utilize your knowledge and skills to fix your PC. What they have learned in class, they can use in real life context. Another example, the students are taught in class how to write a resume and application letter. Then, the transfer here is that they will utilize the acquired knowledge and skills in an instance when they start applying to work. So we can say that their learning does not just end in class, but they have and can use it in real life situations. It is safe to say that as teachers, we ensure that their learning does not stop on the four corners of the classroom. This part has something to do with the lesson plan making. What you see in the unit assessment or activity matrix serves as a guide to what activity will you have your learners to do with a corresponding topic equivalent. Unit assessment or activity matrix is more like a semi-detailed lesson plan. It is your guide to what particular activity you will give to your learners or the activity itself. In some teacher guides and in other instructional materials, there are already transfer goals available and the equivalent activity. What we are talking about here in unit assessment and activity matrix is the specific set of activities you will give to your learners in a particular topic. Now, let us talk about how to formulate transfer goals. I'd like to pass the floor to Miss Aisa Bonsalagan.